Good morning and welcome to the second day of GIEQs 3. Yesterday was really great. So much learning about the upper GI. So we brought a whole load of people together who were focused on, let's say, colonoscopy maybe, and a lot of them said to me at the start of the day, oh, you know, we're colonoscopy guys. Why are we here talking about upper GI? And by the end of the day, we had exactly found out why we were there talking about upper GI. So post upper GI cancer missed at gastroscopy is really an important topic, and we really covered it strongly yesterday. But this is not that anymore. This is the second day. So on the second day, we are focused on colonoscopy, something that maybe we're all more comfortable about talking about. And we want to really introduce the concept of, by starting with post-colonoscopy colorectal cancer, we then go through the day, we talk about colonoscopy technique, how to do it more safely. We then move to polypectomy, basic polypectomy. We're lucky enough to have Michael Burke from Sydney with us, probably the most published person in polypectomy in the world. So today is going to be a real roller coaster of how to do polypectomy well. Today you can join us by logging to the web platform. Yesterday at least 300 people were watching on the web platform at any one time, and the web platform suffered for it. If you're having trouble with the web platform, it may happen again today, and simply just keep refreshing the page. So very much like you're buying tickets for a major event, I think that's the only way to handle it. We apologize profusely for it, but I think there is little that we can do about it for today. The majority of people, given our feedback, were able to watch the stream, and once you're watching, there's no problem to keep on watching. It's simply if you're changing or refreshing the page that there was a problem. So if you're having issues, we have the GIEQs help desk at ciotoninternational.com. Those things are all on the website. Just go to the help section at the top right. Please follow us on the social media, and without further ado, I would like to just acknowledge the people standing in the studio with me. Hans van Vleerbeck, the head of this department, allowing us to do this beautiful show here, and providing essentially the support and the understanding for me taking out his department for 3 days. We have Peter Hendricks, my co-conspirator and ERCP and EU assist extraordinaire on there, just beyond Hans. And then we have Lobke de Zomer, who we all know I'm married to, and is the long-suffering person in this GIEQs type relationship. I want to acknowledge that. Roland Valori and John Anderson in the endoscopy room, who have been co-founding of this.